Hello everyone, welcome back to English channel. Today we will learn one of the most important tenses in English, the present simple tense. زمن المضارع البسيط. القاعدة الأساسية للفعل I, you, we, they. الفعل بدون تغيير. He, she, it. نضيف s أو es للفعل. أمثلة: I play football. He plays football. You work hard. She works in a hospital. It rains in متى نستخدم المضارع البسيط؟ أمثلة: I go to school every day. أذهب إلى المدرسة كل يوم. She drinks coffee in the morning. هي تشرب القهوة في الصباح. The sun rises in the east. تشرق الشمس من الشرق. Negative form. نستعمل don't مع I, you, we, they. Doesn't مع he, she, it. أمثلة: I don't like pizza. He doesn't watch TV.
Question form. نستعمل do مع I, you, we, they. Does مع he, she, it. أمثلة: Do you play football? Does she like music? Practice. I like apples. She go to work at 8. We not play tennis. Does he watch TV? It rain in winter.
Short dialogue. Hello, Sarah. Do you go to school on Saturdays? No, I don't. I stay at home and read books. That's nice. I play football with my friends. Cool. My brother plays too. تذكر الفعل مع he, she, it يأخذ s دائما. استخدم do أو does في الأسئلة. استخدم don't أو doesn't في النفي. Daily life in the morning. Hello, my name is Adam. I am a student and I go to school every day. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Then I brush my teeth and eat my breakfast. After that, I walk to school with my friends. My sister goes to school too, but she doesn't walk. She takes the bus because her school is far. When we get home, we do our homework. My mom cooks dinner, and my dad watches TV. In the evening, we talk and laugh together. We are a happy family. Now we are going to learn the present continuous tense. زمن المضارع المستمر. متى نستخدم المضارع المستمر؟ نستعمل عندما نتحدث عن شيء يحدث الآن أو في هذه اللحظة. Examples: I am studying English now. أنا أدرس الإنجليزية كالآن. She is cooking dinner. هي تطبخ العشاء. They are playing football. هم يلعبون كرة القدم. تركيب الجملة. Structure. Subject plus am, is, are plus verb plus ing. الفاعل. الفعل المساعد. مثال: I am reading. He, she, it. Is. She is watching TV. You, we, they. Are. We are playing. Negative form.
نضيف كلمة not بعد am, is, are. Examples: I am not sleeping. She is not listening. They are not working. Question form: نضع am, is, are في البداية. Examples: Are you studying now? Is he playing football? Am I speaking too fast? Short dialogue. Adam: Hi, Sarah. What are you doing? Hi, Adam. I'm doing my homework. Oh, nice. I'm reading a story. That's great. Is your brother watching TV? No, he isn't. He's playing outside.
That's all for today. Now you can talk about what you were doing right now. Practice it with your friends and family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next lesson.